How to remove songs from Instagram posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove songs from Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Insta. Then you can go to your profile on the bottom right. Then you can see the post with the music. So after you find the post, if you want to check it out, if you tap on the three dots, there you will see different options, including the edit one. Let's tap on edit. And after you tap on edit, you will actually not find any option relating to the music that you posted. So even under more option, nothing's there. And yeah, there is no edit or any other option that allows you to remove the music that's already been posted with the song. So the only thing that you can actually do is delete the post. You can either delete it or simply archive it as well. I'll just archive it, then post this post again without the music. So I'll just post a new photo instead of, and you can simply post the new post. Imagine that this is the same post, and just tap on share without music, and that should get uploaded. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.